What is up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing the Numark Mixtrack Platinum DJ controller. Alright, let's open this box up. So open it, you have Numark, then the controller itself. Take it out, and don't need the box. We have the power cable and instructions in there, and the basic instructions how to get up and go easily, and then the controller itself. So first, taking a look at what was inside these bags, we have the power cable here with the warranty and the user guide here, and it also comes with 4 easy steps to get started with your Numark Mixtrack Platinum. Alright, let's take a look at the controller. So just take off the little sides and unwrap it. There is the Numark Mixtrack Platinum. Now right off the start, you'll notice that it has 2 screens. Also does come with 4 decks, which is 2 more than the previous Mixtrack Pro 3, which I actually do have here. So here's a comparison. This is obviously the Platinum and this is the Mixtrack Pro 3, and you'll notice the screens are added and the decks are added, and then the Platinum just has relocation of some dials, like the filter is moved from here to up here, and then just a bunch of other little things like the colors are different. So now that we're done with the similarities and differences between the Numark Mixtrack Pro 3 and the Numark Mixtrack Platinum, let's focus more on the Platinum. And I think we can all agree something needs to be done here. So the Platinum still does come with the 100mm BPM slider. It comes with the 16 multifunctional pads, and it still comes with the 5-inch reels, but it does have the 2.25-inch LCD screens in the middle of each wheel. You now also have the options to add 2 decks to your mix, so now basically you can have 4 different songs playing at once with the addition of these decks. So this would be deck 1 and 3, and this would be 2 and 4. The Platinum also still comes with the effect slider up here, so basically you can choose your effect. There's effect 1, effect 2, effect 3, and you move your finger across, so this would be the minimum amount of effect and this would be the maximum. So now that we're done with the basic overview of the controller, let's turn it on and see what it looks like. So to turn it on, just take your power cable you've been given, plug it in the back, plug the other end into your computer, and it should turn on. So after downloading your DJ software, which this controller actually does come with Serato DJ Intro free, your controller should be connected and should be ready to go. To select a song from your software, just basically turn this dial to the song you want. Once you found it, you can press load it, and on the screen you can see it has put the duration left, the BPM, and what deck this side is on. To load a song on either deck 3 or deck 4, which is the added option, basically just press this, and this has reset to everything back to normal, and as you notice it says deck 3. So then basically just do the same thing, find your other song, press that, and you can go between 1 and 3 and it'll all play. Now once you have a song playing, you'll see this little white bar, which is to show how much of the song you've actually played so far. So we're pretty much halfway done the song already, and as the song plays it will continue to rise up, as you can see it doing here. Taking a look at the multifunctional pads, as you can see these are all lit up, which is basically to show that I have 4 cue points in different parts of the song, and they're just marked there. To use the upper part, so this is a manual loop, so basically if you're playing and you want to loop it, you could press this and then close it and it'll just loop the track. You have an auto loop for the next part, so it's just 1 loop. So the first one is I think half, then this is a full beat, this is 2 beats, and this should be 4 beats. The next part is the sampler, so you can just select it. I don't have any samples in, so in the software you can select different samples or drums or kits and stuff like that, and you can load them into one of these pads and you can just play a drum, but I don't have that set up right now. To clear a cue point, just basically press the shift button and click the one that you don't want anymore, and it'll take it out of your track. And to add one back into your track, just click the cue again and a cue will be added to your track wherever you want it to be. To unlock your jog wheel, just basically press the wheel button, so now when it's playing you can just go like this to make it the slight adjustments to beat match with the other track. To use an effect, just basically press the effect button, and this is the amount of effect that you have, so this would be the max, this would be the minimum. And to change an effect, just basically go into your software and you can change certain effects to make it an echo effect, phaser effect, all that. So that'll do it for this little unboxing and tutorial. If you have any more questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll for sure get back to you if I know the answer. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.